Cookies and cream cheesecake. Prepare to be obsessed. Craving a dessert that's both creamy and crunchy? Get ready to dive headfirst into this irresistible cookies and cream cheesecake. It's easier than you think, and the results are pure cheesecake heaven. First, let's talk crust. Grab your favorite chocolate sandwich cookies, yes, the ones with the creamy filling, and crush them into fine crumbs. Mix with melted butter and press firmly into your springform pan. This is the foundation of our delicious dream. Now for the star, the cheesecake filling. Cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, and a touch of sour cream create the perfect tangy sweet base. Fold and coarsely chop chocolate sandwich cookies for that signature cookies and cream flavor. Pour the filling over the crust and bake until set, but with a slight jiggle in the center. Let it cool completely, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Patience is key for the perfect texture. Once chilled, release the cheesecake from the springform pan. Top with whipped cream, more crushed cookies, or even a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Now, slice, serve, and prepare for a flavor explosion. Ready to bake your own cookies and cream cheesecake masterpiece? Hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Share this video with your fellow cheesecake lovers, and let me know in the comments what other cheesecake flavors you want to see.